Have you ever wondered how major industries manage to operate smoothly with hundreds, sometimes thousands, of employees? Today, we delve into the pivotal world of manpower planning, a critical tool that keeps the gears of industry turning efficiently. Manpower planning, also known as human resource planning, involves forecasting and managing an organization's personnel needs to ensure the right number of people with the right skills are available at the right time. This strategic process is vital in modern industries, where the scale and scope of operations can be enormous, particularly in industrial production lines. In these settings, manpower planning plays a crucial role in streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity by ensuring that each segment of the production line is staffed with skilled workers who can operate machinery efficiently and maintain continuous production flow. Imagine a scenario where a leading tech company launches a new product. The success of this launch depends not just on the innovators and marketers, but also on having sufficient customer service staff to handle inquiries and technical support, along with adequately manned production lines to meet the anticipated demand. Manpower planning enables organizations to prepare and mobilize their workforce effectively, ensuring all bases are covered. However, managing a large workforce is no small feat. It presents complex challenges such as balancing the demand for labor with supply, aligning employee skills with job requirements, and adjusting to the dynamic nature of business environments. For instance, a sudden market expansion or contraction demand rapid changes in staffing levels, which, if not managed properly, could lead to operational disruptions or inflated costs. Manpower planning is not just about numbers. It's a strategic approach aimed at optimizing human resources. This involves not only quantitative but also qualitative assessments of the workforce, ensuring that employees are not just present but are also engaged and productive. Effective manpower planning requires a deep understanding of both the current and future business strategies and the ability to translate needs into workforce requirements. This strategic alignment is crucial for sustaining business growth and maintaining competitive advantage in the fast-paced corporate world. By systematically analyzing the roles required to achieve business goals and the number of people needed in each role, organizations can create detailed job descriptions and requirements. This helps in attracting the right talent and also in training existing employees to meet future needs. Regular assessments and adjustments are necessary to keep the manpower strategy aligned with the changing business conditions and technological advancements. Integration of technology and manpower planning has revolutionized the way organizations approach this critical function. Advanced software and tools enable HR managers to simulate various manpower scenarios and predict outcomes, making the planning process more precise and efficient. Technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning are being increasingly to analyze trends, predict needs, and even assist in the recruiting process by identifying candidates who best fit the job descriptions and company culture. Moreover, effective manpower planning also involves succession planning to ensure that key roles in the organization are always filled with competent individuals, minimizing disruptions in operations. It also includes contingency planning to handle unexpected situations, such as sudden resignations or market-driven changes. The benefits of effective manpower planning extend beyond filling job vacancies and optimizing workforce productivity. It also plays a significant role in reducing the overall operational costs by minimizing overstaffing or understaffing, which can lead to either wasted resources or overworked employees, respectively. Additionally, a well-planned manpower strategy contributes to employee satisfaction as it ensures that employees have clear roles and responsibilities and ample opportunities for growth and development. In conclusion, manpower planning is more than just a mere allocation of bodies to tasks. It is about strategically deploying human capital to meet present and future business goals. It requires a thorough understanding of organizational objectives, a keen insight into the labor market, and an adaptable approach to workforce management. By mastering this yet indispensable planning tool, organizations can ensure optimal performance and a robust economic positioning in the marketplace. Understanding manpower planning is the first step towards mastering the art of workforce optimization.